everyone. Today we'll address some common pronoun mistakes which we do in our daily life but we really don't notice them. So let's jump right in. Him and I went to the park. The correct sentence would be he and I went to the park. He and I we use when they are subject of the sentence. Avoid using object pronouns like him in such cases. Next one I have for you. Me and Sarah are going shopping. Now the correct sentence would be Sarah and I are going shopping. Remember, always put the other person's name first and use I instead of me in the subject position. This is between you and I. No, this sentence is incorrect. Let's check that how we can correct this. After a preposition like between, use object pronouns such as me instead of I. So, the correct sentence would be this is between you and me. Mastering pronouns is key to sounding natural in English. Keep practicing these examples. See you in my next episode.